In this reflection, I'm going to talk about the following three topics. The first topic is market failure, the second one is consumer surplus, and the third one is producer surplus. These topics help me better understand how markets work and why sometimes the government may need to step in. So the first one, market failure is something that happens when the market does not work the way it should and resources are not used in the best way for everyone. An example on market failure would be pollution, because sometimes companies make products but they are not responsible for the pollution that they cause. So instead, the people in the community have to deal with the dirty air or the dirty water. So like, for example, like if a factory may release pollution into the air and the people nearby could have, health problems. So in situations like this, is when the government may need to, make rules to reduce pollution. And for the second topic, which is consumer surplus, consumer surplus is the extra benefit that someone gets when they pay less for something than what they were willing to pay. In this case, an example would be like if I'm willing to pay 10 bucks for a meal, but the restaurant sells it for $7. So I save $3. And so that $3 is my consumer surplus. A real example for me is when I find something on sale at a store, it feels like I got a good deal because, I expected to pay more for that item, but yeah. And then my third topic, which is producer surplus, and what that is the extra money that a seller makes when they sell something for more than the lowest price that they were willing to accept. And for this topic, an example would be if a business is willing to sell a product for $5, but they sell it for $8 instead, so they make an extra $3. Like a real life example could be a small business selling a product that becomes very popular, so people are willing to pay a higher price for it. So those were the three topics, and they helped me understand how the market system works, and they showed me how buyers and sellers both benefit and why the government needs to make rules when the market system doesn't work properly.